In these challenging times, as we witness escalating tensions and the shadow of conflict looming over us, I urge you to pause and reflect with me on the power of love and unity. The threat of another world war is not just a distant worry, it is a reality that demands our immediate attention and action. Right now, leaders across the globe are facing immense pressure with discussions of military might overshadowing the voices of the people. We see nations at odds, communities divided, and fear spreading like wildfire. But amid this turmoil, I believe we have a choice to come together to embrace our shared humanity and to seek peace through understanding and empathy. We must remember that beneath our differences, we share common values, the desire for safety, prosperity, and a future for our children. Our ancestors fought for peace, and now it is our turn to honor their legacy. We owe it to them and to ourselves to find common ground before it is too late. Imagine a world where our leaders prioritize diplomacy over division, where negotiations replaces threats, and where compassion reigns over conflict. This vision is not just a dream, it is a necessity. For the sake of our planet and its people, we must encourage our leaders to engage in dialogue, to listen to each other, and to recognize that the true strength of a nation lies in its ability to create peace. To those in positions of power, I urge you, remember your responsibility to the people you represent. It is not just about winning a political battle. It is about ensuring a safe and thriving future for all. The decisions you make today will echo through generations. Choose peace, choose unity, and choose the path that honors our shared humanity. We all have a role to play. Each of us can be a beacon of hope, spreading messages of kindness and understanding in our communities. Let us stand together, regardless of nationality, ethnicity, or belief, and advocate for a world where love conquers hate and where dialogue replaces discord. As we look forward toward the future, let us hold on to the values that unite us. Let us remember that we are all part of the same human family, and it is our duty to protect and nurture that family. Together, we can create a powerful wave of change. Let us speak out for peace, support one another, and work tirelessly to ensure that our world is a safe haven for every person everywhere. In this moment, let us rise as one, heeding this call for peace.